First of all, thank you, the Minerva management, for inviting us here once again. And now, like how Avinash sir told, now like it's the fourth edition we will be doing this year, and by now we are already a family. So it always feels happy and good to coming back to the Minerva family and interacting with you people and seeking your support for the cause we call Sandhya Marines Vizag Marathon, so that you all can participate in the mission we are doing. So like the importance of health and all, like how all sir have explained, like it's like healthy lifestyle and all, like how we have seen nowadays how people are falling sick. So this is the age. From the beginning, if you will be strong, you will grow as a stronger individual, and then you will be fit and fine too in all the spheres of life. You will be doing your job daily, you will be like fit at home, so you will be playing, so you'll be happy. If you are with some pain, you will see your parents, grandparents, if they have pain. So they are not happy, they are not able to walk properly, get on the stairs properly. So do you want to grow the same way, or you want to live happily without any pain, right? Okay, so this year the marathon we have planned, it's on 30th of November, and we want to, all of you to give your names who are interested by 6th of November, because there are some procedures we have to follow. That we have to give your names, get your t-shirt of your size, so that everything is packed and we will be sending. So that will take some time. So all of you, please give your names by which date? 6th of November. Okay, and you might be thinking like, why we'll go that far? They do it in the city at Beach Road, we stay here. So I just want to put up in a way that this is a school, right? So every day we come here to study. Okay, every day we are studying. So we have one day which is called annual exam, right? And then one day we have annual function, right? So what is it? That throughout the year, whatever we are studying every day, that one day examination would be there. Not to see like, okay, who scored how much mark, and it's not about percentage. It's about whatever throughout the year you have studied, how much you know by that time, so that for the next year you're ready for that, to take up something new. So, and annual function we celebrate. It's the same way we are into running. So we practice running every day. So one day we have kept, it's the marathon, it's like only an annual event. So that one day we participate, we see how good we are running, and then we celebrate. It's the celebration of health, of that we are spreading something good in the society. So like that, and as you people are our family, so to do something, it is not a small thing, like if I ask you to get a small chair, you can get it. But if I ask you to bring me this kind of something heavy, you will need help, right? So the smaller things can be done by the individual, but for the bigger things, to do something big, we need help. It can't be done by a small group of people. So we all, like we started a group with like 5-10 people. Now we are like 200 of main group, but such big motto, such big mission to spread the health and fitness in the society, to make Vizag fit, to make our country fit. It can't be done with 200 people. For that we need all of you. So are you there in our mission? Yes? So thank you all, and with the same thing, same note, I would like to remind you once again, what is the date of the marathon? 30th November 2025, and it is a Sunday morning. So please, you go and you all register. So we have some concession for discount for the school and for the staff. You go and you tell your parents also, your friends, your neighbors, everyone. You have to educate. Now you are our family, you are also Vizag runners. What are you? Vizag runners. Yes. So you have to, the way I am explaining you, the way I am taking your help, you have to go and do the same thing for us. You will be doing it? Yes. So everyone, please go and explain the same thing to your family members, to your neighbors, to your friends, and ask them to register. Okay? So see you all on 30th November with all the Josh of Minerva family. Thank you everyone.